can't count the number of times where I've caught myself looking at you in awe, taking in how beautiful you are, and praying silently in my mind, thank you, God, for this gift. I vividly remember the time where we were standing in front of each other, locking eyes and feeling so much love as I told you, I see you as a life partner. But I don't just want you in this life. That's too short for me. I want you for eternity. After our souls leave our physical bodies, I know that whatever happens next, for eternity, we will always find a way back to each other. And for eternity, I promise to hold your heart and give it a forever home. A home where it feels safe, protected, wanted, loved, devoted to. I promise that as more years go by, I will never settle or take you for granted. And I know that it's easy to love when it's easy. So when it is hard, I promise to remember that we're on the same team and always return to love. I promise to stand by your side as we continue to build a life full of joy and love, so that one day, when we're old, wrinkly, and still mad in love, we can sit back, reflect on the life we have co-created, and be filled with love because of all the magic moments we have lived in this lifetime.